Isram? Enough with the makeup, baby. For mommy, mana, baby. Allah.
Baby boy.
Oh, yeah. Baby boy, mommy girl. For mommy, Ramani. Isram? Baby, you return that one. Mommy girl, baby Isram boy, huh? Oh no, what?
Toothbrush.
Oh no, that's not a toothbrush. Akong Revlon nga lipstick. No! Akong mascara. You show daddy how to use a lipstick. No! Oh my God! Give ko litog akong lipstick ga. You show daddy how to use a lipstick. Be. No, don't do that. You just put it in your lips. Come on.
Nana.
Oh yeah. You show daddy how to use a lipstick. Come on. You don't open it. But this one. How to use this one? Where's mommy's powder? Oh, this one. How to use this one? Show daddy how to use this one. Come on. Okay, and where's this one? Use this one.
Gana.
Yeah.
That?
Yeah. Ay, nako, baby girl. We have a baby girl na daddy, so we don't need to make another one. And then, nag-lipstick na siya. Okay. And that one, saan na paggamit? Okay. Buot-buot, good siya. And how about this? How to use this one? Oh, diba? Kibalo siya sa mga gamit sa makeup ga. And this one.
Na.
Diba? Sa kilay niya. Sa kilay.
Kilay?
Kili-kili man na. Ay, naku. Ga, makeup ko. Yan, tsaka gisamok-samok ga. Girl ko no siya. Yung ko, makeup. Kay for girl. Baby Isram is a boy. No! Girl ko. Girl ko no siya. Oh, daddy, look at daddy. Daddy, buy makeup, daddy. Tell daddy. Daddy, buy makeup. Oh, you wanna open this? Makulatahan dyan kang daddy. Daddy, sugdi na ni kulata.
Ako kami.
Okay. Na. Nagsamin pa siya ga. Mo di ay kay magsamin din siya. Kaya mo yan.
Kaya ka? Dilo.
O, diba? Palili pa sa amin.
Big.
Ay! Enough na, baby! Enough na! Oh my God! Gala akong Revlon nga lipstick gikulito ganiyo. Ay, enough na, baby! No! Ga, pwede na kumukulatag bata, ga? Pwede na, nanawa na. Look at your face! Look at your face in the mirror. Come on. Look at your face in the mirror. What can you see? Ugly? What can you see? Ha? Iya bang gikuan o trabo? Mapatay jugo ni ga. Beautiful na akong baby. Be smile, be smile. Let me see. Ga.
Nana.
Finish na? Okay. Finish na?